Hey everybody, I'm going to make a couple movies to explain my thoughts. Okay, so we're not using graphics on this assignment. That was a big part of the directions before you guys even started. So although I love what you've done, it's really not fair to everyone for me to say it's okay. So if you want to do it, because it does look good, that's your decision, but as far as what's allowed, it's type only. But you can do this. Type as a shape. I think it's interesting. I want to know how this is all going to move. I'll go back and read what you had to say afterwards. But there's so many wonderful presets. You could add ripples in there, but you could also copy and paste this one at a time and have it like slowly come on the screen, and you can make it just continue to go on and overlap and overlap. I don't know what that means, but it looks cool. Great contrast on here. Um, you have a lot of wonderful movement opportunities. It's a great mood board, style board. I get it. All right, so that said, I want to look at Hannah's. So I don't know if it's my screen. It must be, right? Okay, here it is at 100. But I'm seeing some lines through the artwork. If that's intentional, I recommend making it even more deliberate looking, because anything that's a little bit subtle can look like a mistake. All right, so this texture is really decoration at this point. So you're just going from one color screen to the next, and I can't read that. If you're going to do it like this, consider making that a little bigger and bright white so that you can read it. Okay, so these are just different digital screens, but take a look at Jared's. I just went through his. He has progression. He's showing a story with what's going to happen with the text. So that's what you want to think about. So are you only going to say take action, protect our wildlife? Or do you have more to say? So if you have more to say, think about how you can tell a story with it. For example, his might be share a Coke and a smile, and that's really all he wants to say. So he might tease the viewer with share, 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 and then the Coke with the made up of letters comes on, and then he can use the word smile somehow in there. So think about how you can do that with yours.